strawberries? Do you want to cut the leaves or not cut? Not cut. Gotcha, girl. Everyone loves my water. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Inon ko yung camera habang wala pa si Indy. Wala pang D.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this can be ride a bike.
You wanna ride your bike? When you finish your food, sige. Pag nandito si Indy, minsan hindi ko na on yung camera. Para matapos ko ma-prepare yung lunch nila in peace. Kasi kapag naka-on yung camera, kahit hindi ako nagsasalita minsan, nagwawala yung Inday natin kasi gusto maging vlogger. Alam niyo naman yun. Vlogger in the making yung ating Didi. So, sinusok ko pala sa tubig yung apples para hindi mag-brown. So, I soak the apples in ice water so it doesn't go brown. Pagdating nila galing school, kahit hindi ubos yung apple, ganito pa din yung kulay niya. So, tubig lang yan with ice. Yung iba nilalagyan ng lemon. I don't like lemon. Because just ice water works for me. Your lunch is really good, guys. This ham is so yummy. What do you have there?
My dragon fruit, squishies, slime, and bubbles.
Oh, gosh.
Help me! Help me! Mama.
Gusto niya mag-bike talaga. Sige, 5 minutes, okay? Because you need to change. Yeah. Oh, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. Lalagay niya yan sa basket niya. Alright. Okay, finish your food, Alo, so you can go out as well. Si ate, tapos na mag-breakfast, kaya nakakalabas, oh. Si Arlo, hindi pa pwede, hindi pa tapos. Enjoy, baby! I-prepare ko na din yung bag ni Indy kasi labas din kami, Indy. Okay na to eh. Na-prepare na to. Kahapon pa to. So good. Lagyan lang natin ng milk mamaya. Yay! Sila na talaga nasa labas ang tagbabike. Super worth it niyang Kmart na bike na yan, guys. See, mura lang yan. $79 lang yan. May bike na siya. And ngayon, ang galing-galing na niya magbike. Yeah, can you imagine ganitong size yung kay Arlo din? Ang laki! Doon sa proper bike shop kasi mini-measure kasi sila. So, chine-check yung height ng bata. And then, sinasabi nila na, oh, ito yung recommended na bike na height para sa kanila. And yun nga, ganun yung size ni Arlo daw. Pero, super low ng seat. Hindi kaya, guys. Kasi ang laki ng hawakan. Hindi siya makapag... Hindi tumitingin ang batang bail. Ang laki. Kasi ang laki ng hawakan. Hindi siya makapag, ng ayos, bike ng ayos. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-pro. Siguro in 6 months, sa birthday niya, pwede na siya.
I'll get it small, okay?
Isla's gonna take a photo of Daddy and Alo. Sprinting straight away. And then you give it to them?
And we give you money.
Good morning, Dee!
Rose.
Go. Slurp it down. Yep, perfect.
Hold up, Daddy.
I can take a photo of
Okay. Of Indy. Stay still, very still. Ubos talaga agad yan. Uh-oh, not that. I don't think that's a good one. Okay, that's enough. Yep, blurry. Girl, you gotta stay still for a photo. Aw, that is cute though. Look at her. She's like, no cameras, please. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Diba? Kakagising lang. Kalat na agad. Go. Daddy. No, not there. Uy, Di. Let's say goodbye to them. Hala, ang bilis umakyat. Ay, nako de.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Time check. 9:22. Kakabihis ko lang. Alis kami, di? Alis tayo din? Let's go. Where are we going? You tell me. You tell me where we're going, di. Come on. You tell mama. Do you wanna play here? Yeah, you go play here. Come on. Go, go, go. Ito lang. Ng konting ito siguro. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung lip combo na gustong-gusto ko lately. And by lately, like for 2 days lang naman. After nito, try kong pakainin yan si Indy and then alis tayo. So hopefully while nasa shops tayo, matulog siya. Punta kaming Burnside. Punta akong Zara, may i-return lang. So yung ginawa ko, kasi nga 'di ba nung nag-Harbor Town tayo, hindi ako nakabili ng tracksuit, hindi ako nakahanap talaga. Yung gusto ko kasi this time, yung tracksuit na hindi walang garter yung bottom. So parang ano lang siya, wide. Wala ako nahanap sa Harbor Town. Hindi din kasi talaga tayo nakatingin-tingin ng ayos. Doon kasi tatlong bata yung dala natin. So what I did was I ordered online. So nag-order ako sa Zara kasi yung mga tracksuit set na meron ako na gusto ko, galing silang Zara. Anyway, this is my favorite lip combo at the moment. Galing tong Yes Style itong dalawang to. So what I apply first is Peri Pera Ink Mood Glow Tint. Ito, shade na to is Cherry So What. So nilalagay ko yan muna. Ang bango-bango na to. And ang dali niya lang i-apply. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. But, what I've been doing, I've been putting this on top. Ito yung Romand na The Juicy Lasting Tint Mini shade Cocoa Palm. This alone is good. Pero I like mixing it. So, nilalagay ko lang siya on top. And I get that color. I love it. Puro available sa Yes Style. If you are interested, ililive ko yung links nito sa baba. And my code always, Razel10 for 10% off. And ganyan na. Maganda, diba? Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-bright. Pasok na pasok sa color analysis ko. Let's go para maaga tayo sa shops. Tayo mag-open ng... Actually, 9 mag-open yung shops, diba? Ay, pero yung Zara... I-check natin what time mag-open yung Zara. Oh, it's open! Oh, girl, let's go, girl! Ah, you found Mommy's Sunnies. May nakita siyang Sunnies dito. Does this look good on Mama? Ah? Dami na nating nakalabas na Sunnies, B. Does that look good? You like? Ganda ba yan, B? Okay. This is from Yes Style as well. I will do my best to find it. I don't know if it looks good. Does it look good? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's go. Oh, hi, D. Hi, everyone. Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Hi, guys. I'm D. I'm D, guys. I'm Dee. Alright, we got everything, D. Hopefully, hindi siya matulog. Kasi gusto ko matulog siya dun na sa shops. So yeah, yung mga in-order ko is mga tracksuit set. Pero I experimented with sizes. So I'm usually 11, 12 sa Zara Kids. And meron kasi silang inad na size, 12 to 13. So yun yung pinili ko sa iba. The top fits good, 12 to 13 na top. Pero yung bottoms, ang haba talaga ng 12 to 13. So yung iba, kailangan natin i-return. Pero nakuha ko na din yung mga pinalit ko na size. In-order ko agad yung right size. So nandun na yung right size ko. And I don't know what I want for my birthday. Yeah, sabi ni Dan, pag-isipan ko daw yung birthday present ko. Sabi ko nga, wala na, okay na talaga ako. Wala akong maisip. Ayoko na ng more perfume. Gusto ko ubusin yung mga perfume na meron ako ngayon. Tapos mas prefer kasi namin, nasabihin na lang namin kung ano yung gusto para walang masayang. So, for now, yung ibibigay niya sa akin is like a massage voucher. Pero iniisip ko, will I have time to do that? So, kailangan kong ischedule sa kanya yung pagpapamassage ko. We'll check kung mayroon tayong magustuhan para iyon na lang yung i-ask natin kay Daddy. But right now, I don't need anything. I'm really good, but I don't want to be a pain as well and be like, it's up to you. Kasi mas mapapadali talaga ang buhay kung sabihin mo na lang kung anong gusto mo. But again, wala talaga eh. Okay lang talaga sa akin kung wala. Tapos sabi niya, ang pangit naman kung wala akong regalo. Sabi niya, pinamadali ko yung regalo mo sa akin. Nagsabi kasi siya nun na perfume na lang. And that was easy. Eh kasi naubos na yung perfume niya. Eh ako, I don't need anymore. So, I don't know. Ganyan talaga kapag tumatanda na, no? Just tell me what you need and I'll get that. Kaysa sa mag-isip-isip ka pa kung ano ibibigay sa'yo. For someone na nasa kanila na ang lahat, para sa akin, nasa akin ang lahat. I don't need anything. Play Spotify.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So here's to all the times you made me wanna cry.
Where you wanna go?
I know, it's a KB.
I am all about adventure times. I'm not a drinking, I'll go anywhere the way you smile. Like a flash.
I need to book Kuya Arlo for school tomorrow.
You are
Let me just book Kuya Arlo, okay?
I don't really care.
Hold on, hold on.
In the bar, I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things.
Ay, gusto ko yung denim set na yan, oh. I mean, yung denim na top. Ay, ang cute niyan, oh. Crop pa pati. Where's that? Adidas. Asan yan? Level 1. Okay. Ang galing. Punta tayo, Zara. Ay, let's go downstairs, guys. Kanina pa pala kami dito. Dito ako sa kids. Wala masyado. And tinatry ko din patulugin tong anak kong mabait. Silipin natin. Hello! Magka-smile ka dyan na. You see me, guys? Hello! Balik tayo ground floor. Dito na kami sa taas. Adidas ba yan? Yan ba yung logo ng Adidas? Hanap ko yung ano kanina. Yung jacket sa baba. Ayan nga yun. Hindi mo na alam yung logo. Ayan. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. Ang dami ng bagong open. Tapos ang bango. Alright, let's go in there. Let's see what we can find. Ay, ang ganda yung tracksuit na yun kay Daddy. Kung nagsusuot lang sila ng mga ganyan. Ito ata yun. Dito ako sa fitting room ng Adidas. Feeling ko hindi makakasya sa akin guys. Yung jeans, ang laki. Ba't ang bait ni ate? Sabi niya, meron kaming ano yan, maikli. Kunan kita ng maikli. Oh my gosh. Malaki to sa akin. So that is... Yeah. Masyadong mahaba. Ito. Way too big. Hindi ko na yan itatry. Kasi I'm sure malaki yung waist, tsaka mahaba din. Kahit yung maikli na mahaba pa din. Pero try ko yung we're back in the car. Pwede pa ba akong sumubo? Wala bang magmamadali sa akin dyan? Maya na kayo. Bumili ako ng sushi. So maganda dun sa Burnside kasi may sushi hub. Ayan, may bago akong tinatry lately. Spicy salmon nigiri. Masarap siya guys. Hindi ko na mahanap ang aking... Ayan. Tapos may isang spicy pa. Spicy chicken cheese dragon ata yung tawag dito. Masarap din yan. So, 'di ba? Aside from the spicy crab stick, ito masarap din. That's good. Sarap ng salmon. Alright, let's go home. It's 12:08 ng umaga. I mean, hapon. And it was actually a good trip. Very good. Bait-bait lang ni Indy. Natulog lang siya eh. Most of the time, natulog lang siya. So, nakapag try on ako. May mga nabili ako sa Zara. And yung sa Adidas guys, nagustuhan ko siya guys. Kaya lang hindi naka-sale. Yung jeans naka-sale. Laki sana ng sale ng jeans. Kaya lang yung top yung gusto ko. Yung jeans hindi kasya eh. Pero that was good. Parang naging day off ko na din. Day off from the kids. Well, not really. Day off namin ni Indy. From kuya and ate. So, since nag-start si Arlo mag-school, hindi ko pa talaga nanamnam yung ano ba itong mga pinagsasabi ko eh. Yung moment na wala sila ba, na kami lang dalawa ni Indy. Ngayon pa lang guys, yung first, kasi it has been hectic, diba? Nag-start si Arlo ng school, tapos ang dami kong pinaggagawa ng days na wala siya. And I think he only had 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. And then na-fracture yung leg niya. So naputol yun because obviously he had to stay home. And then ang dami-dami na nangyari. Ang dami-dami pang ganap sa buhay. Yeah, so ngayon yung first day na nanamnam talaga namin ni Indy na parang it's our day off. Wala yung kuya at saka ate mo. And it feels good. Alam mo yun? Like, I love spending time with my kids, but you know, it gets really hectic sometimes. Kasi last week was busy as well. We had Indy's injection. Kasi nga pinapabook ko yung mga appointments ng Monday, Tuesday para isa lang yung baby ko. Ngayon lang yung wala kang ibang iisip ba kundi punta ka lang ng shops and mag liwal-liw lang sa shops. That was good. Hello! Is that you, D? You like being at the front, D? Let us open the package. But mommy, eat? You what? What is it? This one, chicken? Bahay na kami, guys. Yes, yummy? Your rice? Here. Mom, okay. Yum, yum. I love you, Jeep. What are you trying to whistle? It's yummy, right? Here. Yum. Ang dilim di. Pasok tayo sa bahay di. Ano ko na sana. May dumating na package. Carmon kasi yan. So, lalagay ko na sana ba sa car? Kaya ba? Malagay ni Mami habang nandito ka? Say, Mami. Mom. Say, Mom. Ang dilim na di. I got it from Amazon. Andery. Yung brand. Yung car mount ko na yan, medyo wobbly na siya. But I've had that, guys, since, oh my gosh, forever. Sobrang tagal na sa akin yan. Sa old, ano ko pa yan? Sa G7X ko pa yan na camera. Sa unang car ko pa yan. Sa mga previous cars ni Dan, nakailang sasakyan na si Dan. Siguro I got that for like $7 sa eBay. So that lasted me. And I still can use it now. Feeling ko nga lang, in anytime, babagsak na siya. So, before siya bumagsak, palitan na natin siya. I know. You're right. That's the smart thing to do, no? Hindi natin hintayin na bumagsak. Kasi yung camera natin, babagsak din. As in, ilang taon na yan. Thank you talaga for your service. Parang mas mabuti atang i-open natin muna ang garage. Kasi apakadilim. Ayan, much better. So, ito, pwede siya sa camera ko. Pwede din siya sa phone. I know. So, perfect, di ba, di? Bait mo today, di. Pina-day off mo talaga si Mami, di. And, ang maganda din dito, pwede siya sa dashboard. Pwede din siya sa glass. I need to read it because I don't know. I don't know, di? Ayan, oh! Ay, ang galing naman talaga, de. Ang galing, de. That's perfect, de. Ayan, ang perfect naman ito, de. Oh. Tapos pwede siya. Ano ba to? Dikit siya. I have to read it because, I don't wanna mess it up, you. But ang galing, pwede na siya sa phone. Tapos yeah, pwede din to sa camera ko kasi meron akong attachment na magnet dyan sa camera ko. Gusto na niya mag-haul. Hello, V! Sige, mag-haul ka. Ito yung resulta ng day off natin today. Okay, yes. Yup, that one. Beautiful. More? There's more? Na-stuck ka na sa bag. O, tignan mo ikaw. Kaya mo yan. You can do it. Yay! I'm so happy. I-hold natin to, guys. Mostly tops. Mga, alam niyo naman na, hilig tayo sa mga basic tops. I got this one. So, meron na ako nito, white. And I got it in this color kasi pasok yan sa color analysis ko. It's the crop top nila. Pero ganito yung kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay, di ba? Wala akong ganitong kulay. Tapos crop pa. Perfect na perfect. Again, yung mga crop, hindi crop sa akin yan. So, it's good. And then this one's really nice. Ang ganda din ng kakulayan. Pasok na pasok din. Ang ganda ng fit nito. Hindi siya ganun ka ikli, but madali lang siya itak in kasi fitted yung style niya. But the color is really good. Meron silang ibang kulay nito like white tapos black yung trim or the other way around. Tapos meron ding gray tapos white yung trim. Pero ito yung gustong-gusto kong kulay as in. Ang ganda, no? With a touch of burgundy. And I found my red top na susuotin ko, guys, sa Pasko. Christmas photo. Santa photo namin. Meron na yung mga bata eh. Si Dan na lang yung hanapan natin. And this is from the kids section. Size 12 to 13. So yeah, maingat talaga silang size. Yung 12 to 13. Kasi before, ano lang yan eh. 11 to 12, tapos 13 to 14. Ngayon, may 12 to 13 na sila. Ganyan lang siya. Anong tawag dito sa neckline na to? Tinry ko siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niyan. Tapos white jeans lang. Ah, perfect na yan. Ang ganda nito, kasyang-kasya sa akin. This is from the women's section. Extra small siya, pero guys, it fits me! Ang ganda! And that's everything! It's 3:01 mga guys! I-open natin to before dumating ang aking dalawang anak. Habang tulog pa yung aking indie. So we can haul in peace. This is from Yes Style. So ito yung aking October order. Bilis, diba? 20th tayo ngayon. In-order ko to siguro mga second week na. Oh, yung lips natin, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Walang retouch. So, kung ano yung inilagay ko kanina, yun lang. And nag-lunch na tayo. Uminom na ako maraming beses. And yeah, it still looks good. Oh, yan yung mga pinag-o-order ko lately. Yung pang dito. Kasi yung double chin natin, like, kapag nag-i-edit ako, minsan nakikita ko yung fat ko dito. I don't know. May mga anggulo na kita yung ating fat dito. So, nag-order ako nito. I'm not sure what this is actually. Sinearch ko lang, double chin. Tapos, naglabasan na tong mga to. It looks like this. Ayan. Gagamitin ko siya, guys. And we will see kung mag-work siya. I'm not sure how effective this is. Basta ganito yung magiging itsura mo. Ayan. This is from the brand Nilia. I'll do my best to link it in the description box. Oh, guys. Nakita ko to sa TikTok. And chinek ko lang siya kung meron sa Yes Style. And meron sila. It is the Sipuri Scalpy Hair Serum. Dinamihan ko na siya, guys. Kasi baka mag-out of stock sa Yes Style. So, right now, ginagamit ko yung L'Oreal na hair booster. Yun yung ginagamit ko every night. After ko mag-shower, now, I saw this nga sa TikTok and I asked ChatGPT if I can use it together with my booster serum. Kasi ayokong palitan yung booster serum ko kasi for me, it's working. So, pangdagdag lang sana ba sa routine. And yeah, sabi ni ChatGPT, pwede ko daw siyang gamitin. So, meron na siyang ginawang hair care routine para sa akin. So, I will use this every morning. And sabi, hindi daw siya greasy. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa Growth Booster Serum kasi hindi siya greasy. Just like my Kerastase. Yung Kerastase ko, gustong-gusto ko din yung guys. Ang mahal niya lang talaga. $100, maliit na bote. Tapos parang sa isang buwan nakakadalawa ako. So, isang buwan $200. And if the growth booster can get like the same result, doon na lang ako sa growth booster, diba? Nagsisale pa. Like last time nakuha ko siya $16 lang compared to like $100. Pareho silang may Aminexil. For me, it's working. Meron pa din naman akong nakikitang mga tubo, mga bagong tubo. So, ito pang-add sa ating routine. Ganyan yung applicator niya. Ayan. O, see, kung mag-work siya, o, diba? Perfect na perfect kasi meron sa Yes Style. So, 4 yung in-order ko niyan. Update ko kayo dyan. Another one of those V-Lift face mask. Ayan. And I also got a head massager. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Kasi nga, I massage my scalp every night. Nakakatulong siya for hair growth para ma-stimulate yung hair follicles. So, I do that again with my growth booster serum. Pag nilagay ko siya, minamassage ko siya. So, I can use this to help with that. I got 2. So, ayan guys. So, I got the wooden one and the plastic one. And then, look at all this. I got a lot. The K-Secret Soul 1988 Retinal. I got heaps. So, 4 na yan. Ang dami naman nito. Totoo to. 8. Oh, yeah. Kasi gusto ko siyang iuwi sa Pinas. Bigyan ko si mama. And, oh, ito din. Ito nga, pang double chin ko. I-try ko. Ito pa. Collagen Neck Tox Cream. I'm not sure how effective this is. We will see. Lifting cream din to. So, pwede ko din siyang ilagay sa... actually, I'm not sure about this one. I think this is for the neck. Yung kapag yung parang may wrinkles na yung neck mo. Pero I got this. Pwede ko to ibigay kay mama. So, sa neck mo. For firmer looking skin. Reduces signs of aging. Patay ka dyan. And this one. Now, this one, I got only one. Rido Shot Hair Ampule. So, again, pangbuhok na naman siya. So, the reason why isa lang, kasi when I check ChatGPT, hindi daw siya advisable na gawing araw-araw. I-apply araw-araw. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Ito yung PDRN. Ayan. Kailangan nating basahin. So, I feel like ipapress mo to dito and then the product will come out there. And then ganyan sa ulo. So, yeah. If you guys are interested to purchase any of these, especially this, my favorite retinol, i-leave ko yung link sa description box. Again, mura lang siya and para sa akin, effective siya. Effective talaga siya. Tinamihan ko nga, bibigay ko kay mama yung iba.
Hello guys, I'm ready. I've been my makeup and I had a lip balm. What are these?
That's a sponge for your
Sponge,
makeup.
sponge, and then.
So, grab your makeup bag, my love.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Yes, I can't believe I have my own makeup now.
Oopsie. Wait, maybe it's the wrong way. There you go, baby.
Mommy, what's this?
That is, let's see.
It's a sticker.
No, it's not. I think it's, I don't know actually.
Just leave it
What
here.
is it? Yeah, I don't know.
God, do you know what this is?
We've got a lip gloss here, my love.
Lip gloss, I want lip gloss.
And this one's lip gloss as well.
Can I say? Can I?
It's just a film for the mirror. So you can use these sponges and apply makeup on your eyelids here.
Okay.
Yeah? You wanna
Yeah.
try?
Yeah. Hey, got this for me.
Me and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, beautiful.
Is this still my birthday?
No, not anymore. But it's a birthday present.
Thank you, Mommy. Can we use this then? For our eyes too?
You can, yeah.
Can you do it for me?
You want it on your eye?
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful. But this is a blush too, I think. You can put it on your cheeks. Yeah, here you go. Hi, Kois. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Do you like Ate's makeup?
Yeah. Now I
What do you think of Ayla? She's got makeup on. What do you think?
Now, what color do you want to put now? Green or blue?
Blue. Good choice, Kois. Nice. And you don't forget to put it back, okay? Yeah, and once you're finished, you can close it and come back to it whenever you're ready to put makeup on, okay?
Very cool.
Very cool. Very pretty. Nice.
Someone
Look,
don't
see?
my doggy. I have this new favorite dino. No. What dino would you like then? No. No. Nothing? No. No dinosaurs? Yeah, no dinosaurs. No birds? I love birds. That's my birthday yesterday. My birthday yesterday, and you gave me some bubble gum. It's my birthday yesterday, and you gave me bubble
Yabang ng buboy natin. See, can you imagine if he goes on that big bike? It's just way too big for him. Yeah. Galing naman yung ate ko. Sus, ang laki na ng baby natin. Guys, we have a 5-year-old na. My love, we have a 5-year-old. Naka-makeup na yan. Sus, baby. Ito namang isa gusto lumabas. You wanna go up? Aww. Oh, baby. You wanna say hi or you wanna go up? Say hi, guys. Andy, who are you? What's your name? Oh.
It's quite